You're the stories that you tell to yourself. So tell me, what kind of stories or narrations are you telling to yourself? And how is it impacting your life? Is it motivating you or is it creating the sense of doubt in you whenever you need to take any actions? Hi, this is Anusha Kanikar. You can call me a friend, a coach, or maybe someone who can help you understand yourself better. So, to begin with, I didn't show up on YouTube for a very long time, and there is a reason for that. I started to tell myself that I'm not meant to do this, create content, or show up in front of camera. I'm not meant to do this. I started to tell that to myself because after creating certain content, I always think and just look at my content and start to ask myself that what I should create further, or where I should take this from here, or what kind of new content I should make. So, not after making a lot of content, but just after few content, I this is the way I do it. So, after few videos that I made here, I also did the same thing. I sat with my whole content thing and started brainstorming what I should be doing next. And in that process, I started to feel like I'm going nowhere because everything felt plateaued. I was not getting any single idea. I was not able to find any proper thoughts to put them into words so that I can present it in front of camera. I was not able to do it. And slowly, I don't know from where things started to turn in a way. I started to doubt myself. I started to tell myself that I'm not meant to show up on camera. I'm not meant to do this. This easily drains me. Showing up on camera, making a video is not really my thing, and I should stop doing it. I should look out for something that is easy to make, and at the same time, that is something that doesn't feel so much of work. And you won't believe, I started believing it. I started believing in that narration, and it didn't just affected the way I showed up on YouTube, but it also affected the way I made content in other platforms as well. So basically, I started to pause entirely on the content creation. But in reality, I could do this because I had time, I have resources with me, I have experience with me. I could do this easily, but still, due to that one narration, I paused everything. Rather, I just stopped doing everything and I started to look out for something different, something easy to do. Maybe that would also work, but because I could bring something more and share, this is something I really enjoy doing, I wanted to do this. And why I'm trying to tell you that whole thing is because this is what I said when I started my video in the beginning, that you are the stories that you tell to yourself. Here, I told this particular story to myself that I'm not meant to do this. And somewhere my mind started to believe it. And for this reason, you too have to be little aware what kind of things that you tell to yourself, because when we start to say something to ourselves, our brain start to capture those words, and it start to create its own persona, you can call it, or its own personality, where it creates its own identity. And whenever you bring any new idea, it rejects and tells you that no, 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 this is not something you should be doing. You are something else from what you just brought in. And for that reason, you should be aware what you're talking to yourself. And this can also be used to hijack your brain, and which can also be done through the affirmations. We use affirmation in this personal development space, and this is how your affirmation also hijacks your brain. It start to force your brain to believe that whatever you're saying is true, and then your brain start to create that personality. And this is how you start to believe the story that you tell to yourself. So that's the reason you should be very, very vigilant. You should be very, very aware around what you tell to yourself. Are you saying the stories that should be motivating you, or are you telling the stories that is taking you down minute by minute, step by step? So this was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet again in the next video.